Guys, it's Housewife in Heels. So I am here with my latest unboxing. We're going to be doing 2 pairs of Christian Louboutin pumps, and one of them will be my second pair of Irizas, because if you are familiar with my channel, you know me, then you would know my absolute love affair with the Louboutin Irizas in the 100s. They are the highest size available, and I tend to find them to be one of, if not the most comfortable pairs of Louboutins that you can get currently. At least that's my opinion. So I was at the outlet the other day, because if you're familiar with me, once again, you know that I love going to outlets, especially the Louboutin outlet in Cabazon, that I live relatively close enough to go there regularly. So I'm going to show you my pair of Irizas that I managed to get there for 40% off, and then I am going to show you a pair of Hot Chick 100s that I managed to pick up on sale from Rue La La. So these were not the same trip, but they're going to be the same unboxing. So I'm going to start out with the Irizas. These are similar to the ones I'm wearing, but they're not patent, and they come in a kid leather as opposed to what I'm wearing now. They also are a little bit more show-offy out there, a little bit more gaudy than what I'm currently wearing. These are not a basic black pump. These have a glitter overlay, and I don't know how well it's picking up on camera, I'll find out during editing, but these have sort of a leopard print on them. That's the best way I can describe them. There's sort of this silvery navy blue. The light reflects off them beautifully. I hope it shows up on camera well, but I will give you guys an up-close look at them later on in this video, like I always do. And if you know me, I have to show you the second shoe because I'm a completionist. And if I'm watching this, I want to see both shoes. Even if they look exactly the same, I want to see them. So these were gorgeous, and I got them 40% off. I've looked for these online. They're no longer available unless you find them used. But these are actually going for more than what's going on Louboutin for their seasonal items now. So I was very lucky to get these for $465 at the outlet. So very, very happy about that, because if you know anything about Louboutin pricing, if you were to get these, let's say they were the current season, they would be $7.95 USD before tax. So we're going to go ahead and put these away until I can try them on, and then we're going to break into the Hot Chicks. Now I know a lot of you guys would love it if I managed to get my little grubby paws on the Hot Chick 130, but they're almost impossible to find because they no longer make them unless they're special made. So we're just going to have to deal with the 100 in the highest height they come in for now. These I managed to find on Rue La La. I don't recall the exact percentage discount, but I do know that these retail for $965 currently on the Louboutin website. They are still available, and I managed to get them for $5.99. So I thought I did not have a pair of Hot Chicks, and I wanted a pair of Hot Chicks, so we're gonna open these up and get into them. I wish they would have done these in a patent, but they only came in a suede, and if you know my opinions about suede, it kind of sucks having to baby them, but I will for these because I thought these were really pretty. It might appear just to be dots on camera, but these are actually plumes. So the shoe is actually studded in these little metal sort of spikes. That's a good way to put it. We know Louboutin is obsessed with spikes on everything, so there's just these little shiny rods kind of jammed into the shoe, which I think makes for a very interesting looking shoe. And I've just been wanting to try Hot Chicks in general because I love the scallop detailing on the upper part of the shoe. I think that's a very unique detail, and you see it copied in fast fashion all the time. So I knew eventually I was going to get a hot chick. We all know it now. I just need to go on a mission to get me some 130s somehow. So hopefully one day I can find them, but they're crazy expensive and very hard to find. So I actually might go ahead and just throw these on while sitting down before you guys. So that way you can kind of see how I look in them just sitting down, because I think they might go with what I'm wearing to a certain degree, and then I'll do a close-up. But I figured this is fun and something that I've never really done on the channel before, actually sitting before you and trying on a pair of shoes. So we're going to get my very well-loved Irizas off, and I'm going to go ahead and slip into these. For those who might be wondering, I went true to size in these, but I have a very narrow foot, for those who might be new and do not know. So most people, if you're interested in hot chick sizing, you might want to go up a half size for most people, but it really just depends on the width of the foot. So I hope you guys let me know what you think about me trying these on in front of you, just sitting and talking, and eventually I might do that in more videos if that's something you guys like, but I will always give you my little close-up try on anyway, because that's just something I like to do for you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, or you learned something, or you just like to watch me talk about shoes. So hopefully I will see you guys in the next pair of shoes and you enjoy my try on. Bye!